today? I hope you're doing great. Today we're gonna see a topic about farm animals.
Moo. Quack, quack. Oink, oink.
But before that, let's sing the song for good morning. Everybody, let's sing with me. Good morning, good morning, good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout for rain. This is gonna be a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Okay, so now we're gonna see the topic that we're gonna see today. Today we're gonna see the farm animals. Have you ever seen some animals in the farm? Okay, well, I'm gonna review some of the animals with you. Please repeat in your house. While I repeat, let's repeat. Duck. This is a duck. Pig. You see the little pig? Sheep. This is a sheep. Pig. I have another pig in here. Rooster. Hen. Horse. This is my little horse. I also have a goat. Goat. I have a sheep. We also have the farmer. We have the farm. And these are some of the animals that we have in the farm. Now, what are we gonna do? Please try to repeat with mommy and daddy. What are the animals that we already seen? So now, after we've seen all the animals in the farm, we're gonna work in your book. So everybody, let's get your book. You're gonna get your language book. This is your language book for homeworks, and you're gonna open your book on page 30. Did you see the page we have here? 30. So what are you gonna do? In here they say that we're gonna use our crayon yellow. So please ask mommy and daddy to look for a crayon in color yellow. Yes? Excellent. Now let's color the farm animals. Let's repeat. Cow. Is the cow a farm animal? Yes. So let's color your cow. Lion. Is the lion a farm animal? No. So let's cross it out. Pig. Is the pig a farm animal? Yes. Let's color. Chicken. It's a farm animal. Duck. Yes, it's a farm animal. Sheep. It's a farm animal. So let's color. Rabbit. It's also a farm animal and color it. Goat. It's a farm animal. So let's color. And horse. It's a farm animal. The shark. Is it a farm animal? No, so let's cross it out. Don't color. And these are going to be your farm animals. When you finish coloring all the farm animals, please ask mommy and daddy to take a picture and send it to Miss Perla. Yes? For I can check it and see if you are correct. Yes? Okay, excellent. This is going to be for language. Now we're going to repeat our vocabulary for AMCO. So everybody, let's pay attention. Okay, so now after we've seen the farm animals, we work in your language book. You're going to review the flashcard for your AMCO book. So let's repeat with me. Farm. Farm. Duck. Duck. goat, goat, dog, dog, cow, cow, rabbit, rabbit, farmer, farmer, purple, purple. Excellent. Okay, this was our vocabulary for your AMCO book. So let's try to repeat one more time with mommy and daddy. Now, what are we gonna do? You're gonna work on your tracing. You're gonna get your book for AMCO. This is your AMCO book. And you're gonna open your book on tracing type and page 17. What page? 17. In this page, you also are gonna use the color yellow. So with your crayon yellow, you're gonna start here on the little dot, and let's make circles. Let's repeat, circle, circle, circle. We're gonna color the sun all the way until it's coloring yellow. Yes? When you finish, you also can color the clouds blue, blue. Yes? And maybe this side you can color it orange. Ready? Excellent. Okay, this is gonna be your homework for today. Okay, so now everybody let's sing our Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, and on the farm he has some chicks. E-I-E-I-O, with a chick here and a chick there, chick here, chick there. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he has some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a duck here and a duck there, duck here, duck there. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he has some cats. E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, meow meow here, meow meow there. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Excellent. Okay, so this was our class for today. See you next class. Goodbye. I love you.